Hello my Doers family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shayantani and you are watching third part of trending color makeup tutorial for this festive season. In my first and second parts, I shared peach and red are the trending colors and you must have already guessed the next color. Yes, it is blue indeed, which is another trending color right now for this season. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Durga Puja and Navratri in advance, and without further ado, let's jump onto my makeup tutorial. As always, I'm gonna start on my clean face and I will be primering my face with flower primer. As I mentioned in my previous videos, primer is very important before you start any kind of makeup because it will function as the base. Then to moisturize my face, I will be using this brightening serum. I will just use few drops and massage gently. To set everything, I'm gonna dust some loose face powder and cover my face and neck. After that, I will take 627A medium brown brow pencil and brush my eyebrows. I always start with my eyebrows before any other makeups, and I have seen people done it in other ways, so it's totally up to you, whatever you are comfortable with. Then I'm gonna draw my brows as gently as possible because the last thing we want is some dark, fake looking eyebrows. Then I'll be taking this e.l.f. concealer with the shade of Tan Latte and draw around my eyebrows and on my eyelids. Then to avoid creasing, I'm gonna dust some translucent powder on top of it. Always dab your brush before using so that you can get rid of the excess powder. Then I'm gonna seal everything with e.l.f. transparent brown mascara. Now I will start my eye makeup. I'm gonna take this blue shade from 3rd edition 120 palette bhCosmetics and dab on my outer V area, deep crease and above crease area. Normally we start with lighter colors, but here I'm doing the opposite. Then I will take a small angular brush and apply the same shade on my lower lash line. Then I will blend the above crease area with a fluffy brush. After that, I will take this turquoise shade and apply on my above crease area. Then I'm gonna highlight my brow bone a little with a concealer and a small brush. It's time to cut the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and take the lightest concealer I have. If you don't have concealer at home, then use your foundation, that will do the job. I'm not gonna follow my real crease here. I will be way above my original crease. It will help me to give the illusion that I don't have a hooded eye, which I do. Then I'm gonna take Chanel 207 Gold Lip Gloss and cover on top of my concealer. After that, I will take this NYX Roll-On Shimmer, which has shade of Salmon, and cover on top of the lip gloss. I'm just putting one product after another to get the shiny look I want. Then I will be using the series of silver shades from MAC Qween Supreme palette and highlight my lids. I'm gonna give you all the detail of my makeup products in the description box below. Then I'm gonna take this blue-green shade and dab on my deep crease area. To get that bling I was looking for, I sprayed some setting spray on my flat brush and dab some gold pigment on especially on my mid-lid. Then I'm gonna take L'Oreal 710 Noir Black Liquid Eyeliner and draw carefully. I will start from my inner lid and then eventually cover whole eyelids and then wing it out. I definitely want to give my eyes a prominent look today. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and continue the wing on my crease area. In that way, visually my crease will look more, prominent. For color correcting, I will be using this L'Oreal 425 Always Apricot lipstick and cover all my dark circles and the dull spots of my face. Then I will be using concealer on top of it and dab with a damp beauty blender. Once I'm done, I will be setting everything with loose face powder. Then using that same damp blender, I'm gonna cover my whole face and neck with a foundation. After that, I'm gonna repeat the process and dust some translucent powder on my foundation. Then I'm gonna powder contour my face. Then I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild contour stick and contour my nose a little. After that, I'm gonna powder contour my face and nose with COVERGIL TRUblend 6. To highlight my face, I'm gonna take this Mary Lou Manizer from the Manizer sisters and highlight my cheeks, bridge up my nose, chin, forehead and above my upper lips area. The reason I like this product so much is because its particles are so tiny that it does not look fake. Now I'm gonna take a curler and curl my lashes. Then I will take this L'Oreal black eye pencil and cover my waterline. Once that's done, I'm gonna apply this Maybelline waterproof mascara and cover my both upper and lower lashes. This is the time to highlight my tear duct areas and I will be using same highlighter. Then I'm gonna apply some coral pink blush from Profusion Vanity and blend on my apple cheeks. And a little bit on the tip of my nose. Now I'm gonna take a red lip liner from L'Oreal and draw the outline of my lips. I will draw some vertical lines too. After blending them, it will give the illusion of having filler lips without surgery. Then I'm gonna wear my new favorite lipstick from L'Oreal and the shade is 977 Passionate Pink. This color, oh my gosh, this color is so amazing and it goes well with almost every eye makeup. Then to give more shine to it, I will be dabbing a little bit of Magic Dust silver shade on my lips. After that, I'm going to take this pink shaded lip gloss from MAC and cover my lips. Off camera, I have set everything with my setting spray. I also highlighted my collarbones. I mean, they were visible anyway, but yeah. I was careful choosing the colors. This orange earrings complements the royal blue Banaras sari and my peach blouse very well. I don't have long hair, so I had to fake it. I am wearing a 20 inches 220 gram Luxie hair extension. I must say this is one of the best extensions I have ever had. The quality is A+. So I just tied a messy braid and my look is complete. I decided to go with a simple get-up as my eye makeup is already dramatic. Would you do the same or do you think we should play around with the colors as this is festive season? And nothing can stop us from experimenting, right? So please let me know in the comment section below. Can you guys guess what would be the next trending color? Then please write down in the comment section below. The winner will be featured in my next video. So I'm planning to wear this in Nabami, Durga Puja. What is your plan, by the way? I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, then please take a minute to hit that subscribe button below and become my Doers family. Hope you really liked this video. See you guys with my brand new video. Till then, stay well. And आप सबको नवरात्रि और दुर्गा पूजा का बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. I love you guys so much. Bye.